welcome. Today we're going to take a look at a piece of software, and yeah, that's not normally the kind of videos that I do, but I figured someone could find this interesting. So when I'm not on my boat anchors, I'm using my K3, and I like to use WinKeyer connected to my logging software, and it's quite handy to use the pre-programmed macros on the F keys, especially when working DX. It's very handy to just send out your call sign with the press of a button. But as you all know, if you have a computer screen, you have DX clusters, you have RBN, you have maybe Facebook or something else up in a browser. And what happens is that whenever the keyer interface or the logging software loses focus, the key presses no longer reaches the keyer. So that was annoying. So for example, now we can see that my power amplifier control user interface is selected, and F4 does absolutely nothing. So I figured, that's a problem that needs solving. So I made this little program called the F key router. Just gonna start it up, and this is all there is to it. What this program does is it listens for key presses F1 through F12 and escape, and whenever one of those buttons get pressed, this program routes those key presses to whatever window or program you have selected. So I'm gonna select the keyer interface window, and we can see here now the target is keyer interface, and we have the window selected, and that's all there is to it. Just press start, and the F key router is actively listening. So I'm just gonna show you guys. So now this is in focus, and it's a good respond. Now this window is in focus. So I'm quite happy with it. It turned out great, and it's been a great addition to the softwares that I'm using. So if for anyone interested, just look up my blog. I'm gonna post a link in the video, and there's a download link in my blog post there. So thanks for watching, good DXing, and see you on the bands. 7-3.